Here's how the Championship table will look after 5 games. Got this idea of Callum Fowler, cracking idea. You can't do full predictions just yet. Obviously, there's still plenty of time left in the transfer window, but it is fun to predict the first 5. Here's how I think week 1 will look. I think Birmingham and Ipswich will cancel each other out in what will be a really feisty game. I expect Southampton to beat Wrexham, although I do think Wrexham will go 1-0 up. I think Charlton will start the season well at home to Watford. QPR have made some fantastic attacking signings, and I think it will take Preston some time for their squad to gel. I think QPR will smash Preston first game. I also think Blackburn will get off to a slow start, and I expect Sheffield United to beat Bristol City again. I've also got Leicester to beat Sheffield Wednesday. Only one away win in the first round of Championship games, and that'll be Derby away at Stoke. Into week 2, and I expect Birmingham to beat Blackburn. That Wrexham-West Brom game will definitely be on Sky, and I think Wrexham will win. Swansea and Sheffield United both look like 2 really good sides. They'll draw. And I believe the exact same result as last season in the Premier League. Southampton will beat Ipswich at Portman Road. Portsmouth and Norwich were 2 really attacking sides last season. I think that will carry on. They'll draw 2-2. Millwall, a very strong side at home. They'll beat Middlesbrough. Into week 3, Birmingham will win again. I think Wrexham will win again at home as well. I think their home form will be really good next season. Sheffield Wednesday are going to struggle. Charlton will lose their first game narrowly to Leicester. Derby will continue their strong start at home to Bristol City. And so will Swansea. Week 4, Millwall will beat Wrexham at home. I can't see anything other than that. Leicester and Birmingham will be a high-scoring game that Leicester will take. I've also noticed I've got Preston and Blackburn to lose again. I just think those 2 sides will start slow. And I've got QPR to beat Charlton, a really good attacking side. QPR will score a lot of goals this season. And then finally, week 5, Charlton and Millwall, that will be a draw. I've got Southampton to beat Portsmouth in the South Coast Derby. I just think they'll have too much. Oxford's home form will be key again this season. They'll get a draw against Leicester. I've also got Blackburn to lose again there, I've noticed. Cue the incoming comments. Apologies, Blackburn fans. So this is how the table would look after 5 games. I've got Blackburn to lose all 5. Sorry, Blackburn fans. I put the games in before I looked at the table, so probably won't lose all 5. But I do think you'll start slow. I think Preston and Sheffield Wednesday will also be down there come the end of the season. Southampton and Leicester will get off to a really good start. Southampton to win all 5 games at the start of the season. It's not reflective of Ipswich at all. I think actually they'll go on and be in the top 2. However, they have got a really tough start to the season. I also think Swansea and QPR will start well and be very impressive next season. So Championship fans, what are your thoughts? Inevitably, you'll think I'm wrong. This is obviously only my predicted table after 5 games. There's loads of transfer window left and 41 other games of football.